Online gaming is gaining more and more traction. According to an international analysis, we see an increase of 7% per year. The big players, Google, Microsoft, are investing heavily in this field right now. Gaming is not only for teenagers, but it's heavily promoted towards adults as well. Some users consider gaming as a relaxation tool, but also a tool for brain training to be more focused and faster thinking. The more momentum this service is gaining at home, the more attractive it is for the hoteliers to offer this service at their hotels. Basically, online gaming is just calling for a good internet connection. Demands are increasing day by day. Higher speed and low latency are important issues. The TRIAX EoC solution supports all the technical demands for the full gaming experience. This is the entire product family of our EoC solution. The controller, the Wi-Fi endpoint, and this new little thing, the media converter. This compact unit is easily fitted on the back of your TV screen. The cables are firmly fitted and secured. No drilling, no noise, no cleaning, and you don't even have to take the room out of service. Installation is done in a few minutes. TRIAX has developed and manufactured products for coax technology for many years, decades actually, and our installers has an equal experience. Our technology is recognized as leading edge all over Europe. If you feel that you are on shaky ground with coax technology, splitters, taps, frequencies, modulations, you're in safe hands with TRIAX.